Are you tired of refreshing your inbox so much that your email app thinks you are in a toxic relationship with job portals? Well, to be honest, job portals can feel like trying to talk at a concert where everyone's shouting and no one hears you. But what if I told you that there's a smarter way to land a job, and that too without even applying? Welcome to the world of cold emails, where a well-crafted message can open the doors to hidden job opportunities. Now let's dive in and make sure that your email gets noticed and answered, obviously. Now the very first step is to research, but like a pro. So before you slide into a hiring manager's inbox, you need to know who they are. You can find them on LinkedIn, check their company's website, and maybe even scroll through their Twitter. Now what's the goal here, you may ask? Find a reason to connect. Maybe they wrote an article, spoke at an event, or love the same football team as you. Now the next obvious step is write a subject line so good which even your crush will die to open. Now HRs and hiring managers get flooded with emails daily. Your subject line needs to stand out. Now here are some examples which are my personal favorite. Now the first one could be, loved your LinkedIn post on AI. Here's a quick question. You can also try this one. Saw your work on a particular project. A quick question about it. And finally, you can also use a quick idea for a company name and would love to know your thoughts. But do remember, try to keep it short, intriguing and personal, because it will always win you the game. Now the next step is keep it short, sweet and as humane as possible. Because let's be real, no one wants to read a 500-word essay. Your email should be short and to the point. Now here's a simple framework that you can follow. The first part is the hook. Mention something relevant about them or the company. The second part is the value. Why are you reaching out to these hiring managers? What's in it for them? And the third part is the call to action, or CTA as you call it. Ask for a 10-minute chat and don't ask for a job, at least not just yet. Now step 4, follow up but without sounding desperate. Let's be real. People are busy these days. If you don't hear back from them, follow up in 5 to 7 days with something short and friendly. You can use the following lines. You can use this line, hey, just checking in and would love to connect whenever you have time. Or you can use the following line, I hope you're doing well, but I'm still super excited about working with your company. Would love to chat whenever convenient. And the last, but definitely not the least, be ready for the conversation. That is, of course, if they say yes. And finally, after following all the above steps, if you get a reply from the hiring manager, kudos. Now be prepared, know about their company, and have intelligent questions to ask. Now I do have some bonus tips for you. The first tip is personalization is king. Please avoid copy pasting spammy emails. Please, they don't get opened and hiring managers will most of the time ignore those. The second tip for you is timing matters the most. Let me tell you, all the hiring managers and the key decision makers like CEOs are usually busy on Mondays. Tuesday to Thursday mornings would be the best for sending out these cold emails. And the last tip, always be playful and confident, because people always respond to personality and not robotic messages. And that's it. Master this cold email strategy and you will unlock all the hidden job opportunities like a pro. Now go craft that email, hit send and let the magic happen. Drop in a comment below with your best cold email success story, and do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more such career hacks.